Here we're going to be showing off the new classroom that students and teachers will be using. Ignore the goofy giraffe. So when a teacher and a student log in, they get a choice to enter a room. So they have different classrooms, of course. A teacher will start a room and a student will join it. So this is the student, this is the teacher. And now we have the ability to show off slides. Now ignore this, the UI for a student will not be flat like this. It will be in VR only, so they won't be able to go and change these slides. But as you can see, the teacher can change the slides. They come back and they can control it, and even if the student leaves and comes back, it syncs them right back up to where they're supposed to be. So you can watch the student here leave and then re-enter anytime we go and do anything. So there we go.